Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. And if you guys have some problem, like you receive some money from someone, like it is in a currency of USD and you want to change it into peso or anything you wanted, okay? So and then this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to change the currency, the money that we have on PayPal. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we need to visit the PayPal website and we need to log in our account. And of course, I'm already logging in to PayPal website, and you just have to go to wallet. Okay, and here, guys, as you can see, I have a PayPal balance, at least 372 pesos. And on the, below on it, guys, there is a Philippine, there's bunch of currency here. We have Europe COD and USD. And this USD, guys, I wanted to convert it into Philippine peso. So you just have to hit this three dots, okay? And then choose convert currency, okay? And I wanted to convert it to peso and just have to hit next. And let's say 1.80. Okay, so or 88. So you just have to hit next. So okay, so this money will be converted to 107.24 pesos, and you just have to hit convert now. And it says that you converted to. Okay, so let's hit done. And as you can see on here on USD currency, there is no balance here because we successfully converted it into peso. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.